What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time here. My name is Jessica. I am a mother and also a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I really just wanted to kind of do something a little different, you know? Definitely going to be a tutorial. I guess it's not that much different. I guess just the concept's a little bit different. I wanted to match my makeup to this cute little bandana that I bought. Can't really see, you know, but it's the nice warm color, a little bit of blue, a little bit of white. So it's kind of what inspired me to do this makeup today. I do really love how everything came out, and I will be doing my full face in today's video. So if that interests you, sounds like something that you want to see, then please do keep on watching. Okay, if you have been here before, today we're watching Rio. So we're gonna ignore that. And I'm priming my eyelid with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 2 as always. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Carnival XL Pro, which I'm sure was in the title. But I always like to just, you know, confirm. And I'm actually going to, I'm gonna try my palette. I'm actually going to start by taking this shade right here, which is called Slow Burn, which is the exact same color as my bandana. How cute, right? So I'm just going to take this on a Makeup Shack T82, so it's just a nice, like, long, fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put this down in my shape. Little circle motions. And I'm just going to really blow this out till it's this blended. My kids are play fighting, so we're gonna ignore the giggling and the inevitable screams that will follow, okay? So if you hear screaming, it's because my kids are roughhousing, and boys will be boys, let me tell you. But next, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Hall, and I'm gonna go very light-handed with this because I only want to deepen this outer edge. I don't want to really change the color of this blend. Obviously, I'm trying to get it to match. So I'm just taking this in a little dough color brush. And he loves you. That's what he was saying. I'm just gonna buff and blend this in, and then after I go in with this, I'm just gonna keep switching between the two colors until it's like this. Literally, it only took me like 6 minutes to fully do that whole piece, so it looks pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease, which I have done before, so if you want to know how to do that, you're going to have to watch one of my previous videos, because I'm not doing it today. But let's go ahead and just cut out our crease real quick. So now I'm going to take this P. Louise Basic Bright, and then this one is in Touch of Frost, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down right where I cut my crease already. look pretty darn symmetrical. Look at me go. Now I just gotta get the wings to match. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the shade Y though, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just set this blue eyeshadow down. So I'm going to take the first brush that I used, or the second brush that I used with no additional product. This was the darker shade I did, which I did second today. I'm just going to blend the edge of this. Then I'm going to go in with the first brush, no additional product, and do the same thing. Boom, seamless blend. So now that that is just about done, I really don't want to get too crazy with everything. I'm going to go ahead and do this wing liner, which I'm going to be taking my Suva Beauty, I'm taking my Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Space Panda. Now that my eyes are done, look how symmetrical those wings are. Like, they're pretty symmetrical. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go in with this glow. What is this? This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with this first. For my foundation today, I'm gonna be taking this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Of all my foundations, I love drugstore foundations. I 10 out of 10 would highly recommend Milani foundations. So I like to match my products up. I feel like a lot of times companies will formulate their like matching foundation and concealer to go together. So I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer as well. Tap out the edges of this, and then I'll blend it in with my sponge. I just don't want it to stick and dry down and be all, you know, in square rectangular shapes. So blend it out and then buff it in. Okay, so now for contour, I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild contour stick, and then I'm going to mix in a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer, so that way it can make it a better shade for me. For my setting powder, I'm going to be taking the One Size Beauty, I believe. One Size Beauty. I'm just going to use this to set, obviously, it's a setting powder. And I'm also just pressing this powder in. So to kind of bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Light, because I'm a light ass bitch, okay? This bitch is light. I'm just gonna ignore this side of my face though, because I fixed my bangs so that it looks like a cute little like hair throw up moment, you know? So I'm just gonna ignore this. Just kind of go around it. Okay, and then for my nose contour, I really like the color in this Phase Zero palette. I just really like this shade, and I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. Now I'm going to take my Dragon Beauty Transformation Face Powder. And I'm going to clean up my contour, brighten these corners up a little bit. And I think I'm just going to take the blush that's in this Phase Zero palette as well. Both of them. The shiny one and the matte one. For my highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Brain Freeze Pro Frost palette, and I'm going to take the blue, which is called Freeze Tag. I just zoomed you guys back on in so we can do the eyes. I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo pencil. I know sometimes I say NYX, but it's NYX, and I know that. It just, I don't know, force of habit, I guess. But I'm just gonna take this white and put it right into my lash. I'm first gonna take the shade Hall, which is the darker brown. And I'm just going to keep this really tight to this waterline. I don't want this to be too smoked out and crazy. I just want some color there. Then on the same brush, I'm going to go in with Slow Burn. And just buff this out. Okay, so I just went ahead and I just finished up my makeup, threw on some lashes, threw on my lip combo, which I have to say, I'm feeling it. So my lash choice today is the Cavalli lashes in the style Kush. I feel like they kind of really go well with this like wing liner look. And then for my lip combo, I actually went in with my LA Girl lip liner in Natural. And then I've recently picked up the new NYX Lingerie Extra Large, I guess is what it's called, matte liquid lipstick. And this one is in the shade Double Expose Me. I think I'm going to pick up more because I definitely like the formula. This color is really pretty. It feels not sticky. I feel like this might be a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill ones. I mean, I haven't used them, but just from the way like it feels and the way that she kind of described her formula, I feel like it would probably be a very similar formula. And I do have to say, this isn't a review, but I mean, I guess it's a review. I do have to say that this is, it feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel like there's a shit ton of stuff on my lips. Like it feels like so like natural and comfortable. Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna have to pick up some more of those. So yeah, that's my lip combo. long story short, looks cute. I like it. I'm gonna buy more. What do you guys think? I personally think that it came out beautiful. I think that my makeup matches my little bandana real nice, if I do say so myself. So yeah, so that is going to conclude today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It does help out my channel a lot, and I appreciate every single one of my subscribers and anybody who interacts with me. Love you guys. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.